Okay, all right. So it's going to be the all blue monochromic color on a bamboo handmade DIY canvas. You can see the bamboo slices here, which is arranged horizontally here, and on the two sides, left side and right side, both sides you can see the vertical framing. So this is the handmade handicrafts made with bamboo, and I'm going to use it for my acrylic painting canvas. Let's start the drawing, and you can see how much time it's going to take. Hopefully I'm going to take little less time, and I'm not editing any portion of the video. That's why you can understand it with the real-time procedures, and you can calculate how much time it's gonna take. Okay, so as you know, it's a all blue color, so I'm going to put the whole blue in the whole area. So adding the water, making the canvas little bit blue effect all over it. Okay, mm-hmm. So you can see the variations of the colors. So in this place I'm just putting the few landscapes, okay, of the it's little bit far distance and all the mountain landscapes here. Okay, just putting all the color strokes. Here you can see the street landscape here, and the ups and downs of the the special types, and the taller trees you can see here. Few taller trees. Okay, another tree you can see here. All right, because I add the water, so the color is just going left and right side with the bamboo frame here. So it has some horizontal connections for the whole appearance. Okay, and you can see like a bigger boat, the drawing of the boat, and you can see the reflections on the water. Okay, and you can see the sail. Okay, a boatman just sitting in the back. So just a symbolic drawing. So there's the idea, putting some reflections on the water and also some reflections here. So you can see the longer strokes I'm just putting for better convenience. All right. So it's something like the abstract paintings, and you can see few graphics and other visualization. Just the imagination. You can see it's like a landscape of a wild nature, and you can see the total presentations. That's the acrylic color. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.